So hello everyone, this is our video presentation of our system in the system and analysis design course. So we can see, as you can see here, we've chosen the Aphrodite Milk Tea House as our company. So our task and our goal is to make a POS and inventory system for them. So as you can see, this is the login page of the system. So let's log in, admin, password. So in the sign in. After that, the page that will be directed is the dashboard, and as you can see the logo of the Aphrodite here, and then the date of the day, the total revenue of that being listed in this system, the total orders, the total products in the system, and the low stock. So a product will be considered as low stock when it is already 5 or less than 5 in the stock. So for now there's no low stock. And then this is the calendar. So in the navigation bar there's different tabs. There's the dashboard, the brand, the category, the product, the orders, and the report, and another drop down tab for the admin to the settings and the logo. So first we're gonna go to brand. So of course the brand is Aphrodite because the company that we've chosen is the Aphrodite. So after that we have the categorize the products that they have. So they have the Yakult series and milk tea, fruit tea, so on and so forth. So you can also add a category if there gonna be a new one. So you can also edit the category, and you can also delete the category. After that, you can now proceed to the product, where you can input all the product available in your system. So I've already inputted all the products available in the Aphrodite Milk Tea House. So you can see strawberry, blueberry, the premium milk teas, the Yakult series, the fruit tea, the cream cheese, so on and so forth. And you can actually edit a product. You can change the picture, you can change the rate, the quantity of it. Whenever it's low in stock, you can change the quantity of the product, and you can change where it belongs, what category it belongs, and the status of being available or not available. Of course, if it's not available, it will not gonna display in the order list, order menu. So let's close that. So right now you can also add product if you want to. Here, fields needed to be filled in so that you can successfully add a new product. So for now, we cannot add more products because all of the products in the Aphrodite is already listed. So let's close that. So next is the add order. So here is like the order process of the system. So you're gonna click the order date. So today is 24. The client name, let's say Jack. And then the client number, let's say like that. And then we can select the product that the customer wants to buy or to try. So let's say he wants to try the classic cheesecake. There you go. So let's say he's gonna buy 19 of it. I mean, let's say 15. There you go. As you can see, you can also delete the rows of the order list so that you're not gonna have empty rows. So after that, you can see the sub amount of it, the VAT to 12%. That is inclusive already in the total amount. After that, because of their happy hour, you can also add a discount in here for their 50% in the other milk teas. But for now, let's say no. Or let's try adding. As you can see, it's being minus or subtracted to the due amount. So let's say you're not gonna put a discount. The paid amount is the amount being the amount that was given, or the amount being paid by the customer. So that say 1650. So there's no due amount already. So there you go. Select that, and then you can save changes. And then after that, you can also print it to give a order receipt. As you can see in here, that's the order receipt. You can print it, but for now I cannot because don't have any printer. So that's another feature that we had, the printable order slip. So after that, you can also manage the orders here. This is an order previous order that I made a while ago. So for that, you can edit the what you call that, the orders being made. Let's see like that. See, you can edit it if there's any changes. But for now, let's say there's not any changes. After that, you can also generate a report for the desired date that you range of date that you want. Let's say only for today. So then it is today. Generate the report. So as you can see, there's the order date, which is today, and the client name Jack. Don't worry, it's double because I've inputted another order a while ago, which is not being recorded. So there you go, different numbers, and this is the order that I made recently. There you go, also the total amount is being displayed in the report slip. So that's another feature that you have. And then let's go back to the dashboard. As you can see, there's another low stock. There's a low stock, which is 1. That means the low stock is already in here in the product. The classic cheesecake, because it's already 5. So it only count as a low stock whenever it is equal or less than to 5. So that is the simple POS and inventory system for the company Aphrodite Milk Tea House. And another feature is actually to change the password, so you can change the password like that. But I don't want to right now because I want it to be default. So you can see the total revenue also updated, and the total orders also updated because the two already. So you can also edit or put in another you can another quantity. You can edit this, the product info. Let's say you've already restocked it, so let's say you have 20 of it already. So save changes, and then let's go to the dashboard, and the low stock will not gonna count because the low stock deposit is already more than 5. There's no product, it is less or equals to 5, that's why it's 0. So that is the simple stock management or the POS and inventory management that we have for our company. Thank you, and I hope you enjoyed it.